Yeah.
Okay, you're talking about this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're really focusing on this one. This is like a southern step.
Okay.
I have you actually, so I'm gonna be posting the homework today, do a week from today, but essentially this is the southern step and you're gonna get an expansion fan right here.
With the project.
Okay.
Did you realize how slick I was? The homework?
Yeah.
No, I was just kidding. No, but I am posting the homework, yes. I am posting it, it is a week.
Then you're not kidding.
No, but seriously though, the project should not be taking that long. The project is, you could just get a piece of paper and solve it directly. It doesn't require MATLAB, it doesn't require Excel, there is no iterative methods in here. So I don't know why people are waiting to solve it. So it's one single problem, it's a glorified homework. In reality, it should be given 1 week. And the reason is, I don't want to compile assignments. We still have project 2, and we still have Phantom Flow homework and Rayleigh Flow. So I want to make sure we cover those in a good time frame before the final, so you have questions before the final. So I'm trying to keep us on track, so we don't have multiple assignments together. That's the idea. So it's not that I'm trying to overload you or anything, but I think right now that you should be just wrapping up that project. It should not take you more than an hour or 2 to do that project. It's not really a project, it's one single problem. You don't need MATLAB, you don't need Excel, you don't need any coding for it. You're just holding a shot downstream of the CD nozzle. And you're doing a summation of your mass flow rates for all the tanks that you have.
That's the problem.
And you're integrating, this is from the first section of the course where we're going over mass flow rate and figuring out how the tanks did lead. So you're doing it for each individual tank, and you're summing it all together. So it should not be that comprehensive. Now, I think I'm not going to start Phantom Flow right now, but I do want to talk about one flow feature. But afterwards, I could take questions on the project, but it should not be taking you that long. It really should not. Now, homework-wise, the homework is on this stuff. It's straightforward. And I've done quite a bit of example problems to get you going. The homework is, I don't know how many problems that are there, but they're not extensive. And again, you've seen how the homeworks are graded, you've seen how the process, you're going to see how the process is graded, which is like the homework, so they're not that complex. So before I take questions on the process, I just want to talk about another flow feature, which is downstream of the CD nozzle.
Stick it over.
Okay. I have a CD nozzle right here. Okay. If I overexpand it, I'm gonna get like you've done in the midterm too. You've got oblique shots right here. And I'm asking you for this in the in one of the problems in the homework. Okay? So what's gonna happen is right here, the flow supersonic. It's gonna go through that oblique shot. Which direction of the flow is that gonna be? So if I have 2 vectors right here, they go through this oblique shot. Which direction of the flow is gonna be? Could either be straight, outwards, or inwards. Where is it gonna be?
Normal to the shock.
What is this oblique shot? If it's a straight surface, what is the surface of that oblique shot? Right here. Close this completely. I have an oblique shot. What happens? Is this outwards or inwards? Inwards. What is the full direction then? So what does that mean? Okay, so now it's going to come here, and they're going to both see each other symmetrically. So you're going to see a line right there. As a result of that, what's going to happen across this shot? Directed outwards. they refract outwards too much, to the degree that all of a sudden, you start to get expansion fans. This is what we call shock diamonds downstream of the CD nozzle. I'll show you images and videos of it next time. But essentially, yeah, there are valuable aerospace engineering features. Anyway, so what happens is you get these expansion waves, and these expansion waves are gonna equilibrate your pressure to the surrounding pressure. So meaning that I have atmospheric pressure right here, and I want to equilibrate that pressure to what the atmospheric pressure is. So I'm readjusting my flow by inducing these expansion waves. So all you need is pressure ratios. We already were able to get pressure ratios across this. We already know how to get a pressure ratios across this. And we just discussed the pressure ratios across an expansion fan as well. So it's the same principle. But this is, I'd like you to give me a thumbs up because then I understand people are getting it. Or maybe the rest are not. Just let me know if you have questions on it. But essentially is, again, flow features and then the flow adjusts accordingly. And you will see these nice coherent shots right here. Now, it could happen that depending on your pressure ratios, you could have this keep going on. You get this, 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 and then expansion fans at the end. That's what we call our shock diamond.